Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Chevy GMC's 99-06, Silverado, and Sierra. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove any factory or aftermarket accessories and drop your gas tank, for purposes of safety and to gain clear access to your vehicle's frame. Step 3. Remove your bed. We show how to do this in another video, linked below. Step 4. With a 15mm socket, disconnect your shock and begin removing a crossmember and any additional frame, while leaving enough material to weld back onto. Step 5. Begin assembling the crossmember by inserting the pipe through the frame and its bounding plates. Ensure the rotation and placement of the tube and shock mount matches factory orientation. Step 6. C-clamp and tack weld the part into place and begin welding it around all edges. Reconnect your exhaust, shock, and reinstall your bed, and you're done.